has been an arrest that has been made. This is the third arrest made in the dowry horror case in Noida. Do remember that the husband has been in the custody of the police. He was in fact trying to get away when the police needed to, they had to shoot him in the leg. Now the brother-in-law has been arrested. Do remember the brother-in-law is married to the sister of Nikki, the victim in the case. So the brother-in-law has now been arrested. The case is against the family members, other family members as well. Do remember that video in which you could see the mother-in-law in fact holding Nikki while her husband was attacking her, pulling her hair, slapping her around. And that is the time when the mother-in-law in fact, instead of intervening and stopping the fight that was taking place, was party to the crime. And so it's the mother-in-law, the father-in-law and the brother-in-law. Do remember that they were on the run. So this is the third arrest that has been made in the case. The husband, who is in the custody of the police yesterday, was taken to the crime scene. In fact, that was the area where he had disposed of that bottle of a thinner that he'd used in order to douse Nikki before setting her ablaze. And while they were going to recover that bottle of the thinner is when he tried to steal a gun from the police and tried to make his way in order to get away from the clutches of the police. And that is when the police needed to shoot him in the leg in order to stop him in his tracks, and then took him to the hospital. In fact, in the hospital, the police asked if he had any sort of remorse for what he had done. He went on to say that he had no remorse whatsoever, and that this was suicide, that she killed herself, and that a fight between husband and wife is something which is normal, which is very, very common, and that is something that would happen between them. But he didn't kill her, is what he went on to say. He was extremely defiant, even though there are visuals of him beating up his wife. In fact, it was their 6-year-old son who went on to piece together, step by step as to what happened. That first the mother was slapped, she was attacked, she was hit, and then it was the father and the dadi, the grandmother, who were responsible for the death of his mother. Is the 6-year-old son who was witness to that horror and then had to recount it in front of the police. The sister, who's also married to Nikki's brother-in-law, is the one who took that video and had gone on to say that this was, the assault was not one of its kind. It was, a repeated assault over the last 9 years that she was married to the man. We have Shreya joining us in order to get us the very latest. Shreya, take us through, this is the third arrest in the case. The brother-in-law has been arrested. Where was he nabbed from? They had been on the run over the last since Thursday.
Well, this is the third arrest in this developing story. The brother-in-law of Nikki has been arrested by Greater Noida Police this morning. Remember that Rohit Bhati, which is the accused brother who was married to Nikki Bhati's sister Kanchan, he also used to beat up his own wife Kanchan and also subjected Nikki to extreme dowry torture. And he was absconding till in the last couple of days, and today the Greater Noida Police has arrested Rohit Bhati, and the father-in-law of Nikki Bhati is still absconding. Remember that this horrific incident happened on 21st of August, 23rd of August. The police arrested, the Vipin Bhati, the accused, and after that we saw how Vipin Bhati was sent into 14 days of judicial custody. And also the mother-in-law was also arrested. So the mother-in-law, the husband has been arrested this morning. The brother-in-law has also been arrested, but the father-in-law is still absconding. This morning we also got the CCTV footages of how Vipin, he was trying to gather people outside his residence on 21st of August after he allegedly, put his wife on fire. And after that, he went out of his house and he was trying to gather people to show that, this accident has happened and he needs people's support. So he made this entire conspiracy. He has tried to, change this whole idea that, it's from a murder to an accident. So this is something that the police will be investigating. waiting. Of course, he has been arrested. He has been sent into 14 days of judicial custody. And remember, our prime eyewitnesses account is absolutely heart-shattering, but it is extremely important. It is the son of Nikki Bhati and Vipin who recounted this horrific moment. The helpless child saw his own father putting this inflammable substance on Nikki, and then lighting fire on her body. And when police asked the son if he saw this happening, he confessed that he did see his father acting in this brutal manner and committing this crime. So of course now police investigation will unravel, will intensify at this point. Remember, 3 arrests have already been made. Remember, this is a case of extreme dowry torture. Both Kanchan and Nikki, both the sisters, have been facing relentless dowry torture, and yesterday when we saw the visual of Vipin saying that, he did not kill his own wife, he died on her own, and the fact that fights are very common between husband and wife. But the question is, demanding for 36 lakhs of rupees, a car, a bike, gold jewelry, is this common in today's day and age? That is something that people need to question. And of course, the highlight right now is that the brother-in-law of Nikki, who has lost her life, the man has been arrested, and now the father-in-law is still absconding, and the Greater Noida police is on a lookout for the father-in-law. Back to you.